So when you're running your online store with Hostinger Website Builder, you'll get an email every every time every time someone places an order, right? So which is very helpful. It's pretty handy. Now the customer also gets an email automatically, so they're updated too. So if you want to see what these emails look like or change anything, you just need to go into your online store settings and check out the emails section. And I'm gonna show you right now where you need to go. So just go to edit website first, and I'll show you where you can find the email section and the store settings. So to click on your store settings, go to online store here, please, and now click on the store settings from here. And then once you are on here on the store manager, you're gonna see here settings, and then here you have emails. So settings, and then here emails. And then here you're gonna see all the emails. This send automatically an order when it's placed, and you can actually preview this. Okay, you can actually preview this. You can preview also this shipping confirmation. You can preview, and also digital online file download, appointments, invoices, and also you can click on here for invoices and add a logo. That's just sample email I use for testing, but you can add your professional email. You can add a title, next invoice number, show, add information. So if you want to add a title, like tax ID, bank account information, you can do just that. From here, you can also go to taxes, but overall for emails, you just need to click on here. So if you have more questions, leave your questions down below. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more tutorials.